Now see, gamete formation. We all know what are the gametes. Gametes are the haploid cells, and then this haploid cells, they unites and forms the diploid zygote. So the gametes into the male are sperm, and into the female these are the ovum. And we know that all the germ cells, they are formed by meiosis. That means the number of chromosomes are reduced to half. And then how the sperms are produced? The sperms are produced in the testes, as I've shown you. See, these are the testes, and the sperms are produced over here into the testes. And when this starts producing, as soon as the puberty starts into the boys, that means at the age of 13, right from the age of 13, the puberty age starts, the boy starts becoming matured. Till the death, the sperms, it keeps on producing into the testes of the male. But in the case of female, at the time of the birth only 2 to 4 million eggs will be present into the ovary of the female fetus, but those are going to be immature. That means right when a girl child is going to be into the mother's womb, right from that time, the some millions of eggs or the oocytes are going to be present into the ovary of that female fetus, but those are going to be immature then, and it will become matured at the age of puberty. That means that age of puberty can be between 10 to 15. So that age of puberty means when the sexual characters developed into the human beings. So whenever that girl starts becoming mature or at the age of puberty, that oocyte, it gets matured and it releases from the ovary every month alternately. That means first month it will be coming from this ovary, that egg will be released from this ovary, and next month the egg will be released from this ovary, then other next month from this ovary, then other next month this ovary. So alternately the eggs are going to be released from the ovary. And it starts, and whenever the first menstruation cycle takes place, or whenever the first period takes place into the girls, that is known as a menarche, and it stops at the age of approximately 45 years, which is known as the menopause. And why this menopause takes place? Menopause means after that the woman will not have any kind of menstruation cycle, or no periods will happen into the women. And it happens because of the hormones, the female reproductive hormones or the female sex hormones are estrogen and progesterone, and they stop secreting, or the secretion of those hormones stop, or irregular secretion makes the beginning of the menopause, or then the women will not have any menstruation cycle or no periods, and then that will be known as menopause.